this lesson, we will learn that how we can add a course syllabus on our pages with the help of LifterLMS course syllabus blog. As you can see, this is my custom page. Here I added some sales content about my retirement course, and I added this retirement course syllabus in this page. So with the help of LifterLMS course syllabus blog, you can add a specific course syllabus in any pages you want. So what we have to do, we have to select a page that where we want to add the course syllabus, or we can add the course syllabus as per our course sales content. So here I have the course sales content, and under this I will add my retirement course syllabus so that it attracts people. People will understand that how many lessons in this course has and what lessons are here. So here I have to click on this plus icon to add the blog. So here I have to click, then I have to search for course syllabus block. Here you can see, here I have the course syllabus block. I have to just add this. And now you can see here in the right side, we have course syllabus settings. From here, we can select our specific course that we want to show the syllabus for. So I will add my retirement course here. So I will add this one. And now my this course syllabus will visible here. You can see. Now if I update, and if I visit my page, you can modify the design as per your requirements. You can add the sales content differently. So here is the course syllabus.